This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever felt like your Audi is consuming more fuel than it should? Even when you're driving normally and not pushing the engine at all? Do you find yourself stopping at the gas station more often than expected, wondering where all that fuel is going? What if the real problem is not your driving style, but a setting inside your Audi that you're not using? Because today, we're going to uncover something most Audi drivers completely ignore. A hidden behavior inside your car that could be quietly increasing your fuel consumption every single day. Modern Audi vehicles are incredibly advanced. They are designed to balance performance, comfort, and efficiency. But here's the catch. They are not always optimized for fuel saving by default. Audi engineers prioritize responsiveness and driving feel. That means your car often reacts faster, accelerates stronger, and shifts more aggressively than necessary for daily driving. And all of this costs fuel. Imagine two identical Audi cars driving on the same road. One is optimized for efficiency, the other is not. Over time, the difference in fuel consumption becomes significant, not just a little, but enough to impact your monthly expenses. And the crazy part? The solution is already inside your car. No mechanic, no upgrades, no cost. Just awareness and a few adjustments. Before we go deeper, if you want to unlock hidden Audi features, make sure to subscribe. It's free, and it helps you stay ahead of what most drivers never learn. Now let's talk about the first major factor, throttle response. Most Audi vehicles are tuned to respond quickly to your foot. Even a small pressure can send more fuel than necessary. It feels good, it feels powerful, but it's inefficient. What you want instead is controlled, progressive acceleration. And this is where the first real adjustment begins. Because in the next part, we're going to activate one specific setting that starts reducing fuel consumption immediately. Stay tuned for the full walkthrough.
Now let's move into one of the most important features that directly affects how much fuel your Audi consumes every day. Driving modes. Most Audi drivers never change them. They leave the car in auto, or even worse, in dynamic mode because it feels more responsive and fun. But here's what's really happening behind the scenes. Dynamic mode increases throttle sensitivity, keeps the engine at higher RPM, and delays gear shifts to deliver more power, which also means more fuel burned. Even auto mode tends to prioritize comfort and smooth transitions, not maximum efficiency. So what should you do? Switch to efficiency mode. This is where things change. Efficiency mode recalibrates your Audi's behavior in a smarter way. It reduces unnecessary fuel injection by smoothing acceleration, lowering RPM peaks, and optimizing gear changes. The result? You still drive comfortably, but your engine works less aggressively. And that means less fuel consumption over time. But there's another mistake many drivers make without realizing it: short, aggressive acceleration cycles. If you accelerate hard between short distances, your Audi never enters an efficient rhythm. The engine keeps restarting fuel-intensive cycles again and again. Instead, you want to build momentum gradually and maintain it as long as possible. Smooth acceleration, stable speed, anticipate traffic. Now, let's talk about something simple, but extremely powerful: tire pressure. Incorrect tire pressure increases rolling resistance. That means your engine has to work harder to move the car. And when the engine works harder, it burns more fuel. Even a small deviation from recommended values can increase consumption noticeably. So always check your tires and keep them at Audi recommended levels. But now comes the most overlooked feature of all. Because in the next part, we're unlocking a hidden system that most drivers don't even know exists. And this is where real fuel savings begin. Now let's talk about the feature that can make the biggest difference in your Audi's fuel consumption. Coasting, also known as engine freewheel mode. This is one of the smartest systems built into modern Audi vehicles, and also one of the most ignored. Here's how it works. When you release the accelerator, instead of keeping the engine engaged and consuming fuel, your Audi can disengage the drivetrain and allow the car to glide. That means less engine load, reduced fuel injection, and more efficient movement. Basically, your car keeps moving without wasting energy. But here's the problem. This feature is often hidden or not activated by default. Depending on your Audi model, you may need to enable it inside MMI settings, Driving Assistance Menu Efficiency Program. Once activated, the difference becomes noticeable over time. You won't feel a dramatic change instantly, but your fuel gauge will. Now combine everything we've covered. Efficiency mode, smooth acceleration, correct tire pressure, coasting enabled. And suddenly, your Audi becomes far more efficient without sacrificing comfort. This is not about driving slower, this is about driving smarter. Over weeks and months, this translates into real savings. Less fuel, less wear, better driving experience. And the best part, everything was already built into your car. You just needed to unlock it. If you found this useful, subscribe for more Audi hidden features, performance upgrades, and money-saving strategies. And in the next episode, we're going to reveal one driving habit that secretly destroys your fuel economy and how to fix it instantly. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.